Cleanup.pictures is a free online tool that uses artificial intelligence to remove unwanted elements from your photos. We can remove manually with the help of brush. We should highlight the unwanted area using brush tool. It's free to use. We can download medium quality picture, but to increase the quality we should have to upgrade to premium version. Now I will demonstrate the process. Let's dive into the website.
Okay, type clean up that picture and then select the first link. Yeah, drag the image you want. Here it comes. See, if you want with high clarity you need to go for the pro, but I'll continue with this. You need to select the object which you want to remove. With the help of brush you can increase the size. I want to remove the nonsense from the guy's life, so I choose her to remove. Isn't it true? Comment, man. Yeah, now see the difference between the original and the updated one. Download it, let us compare them. Wait a minute. Yeah, here it comes. See, man, it's very nice. See the difference between both of them. It looks like he is more happier in the second picture than in the first one. Alright, let's go. Bye.